Quédate, ya prisa.
Esto es lo que se llama una alta percha. Sí, sí. Alta percha, ¿o no? Porque claramente tiene... No, decía que tiene claramente alta percha, que tiene forma.
A plane carrying Lionel Messi's giant shirt has been spotted flying over Rosario in Argentina just 1 hour before the game in Qatar started, the FIFA World Cup. I should be noted that Lionel Messi has scored his goal, a penalty. He converted a penalty, and he's now the only leading World Cup goal scorer for Argentina, surpassing Gabriel Bastituta. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Times TV all day, every day. Lionel Messi is making records. Lionel Messi is turning the world upside down. But a helicopter was seen flying over Rosario in Argentina when he was carrying a giant number 10 for Lionel Messi ahead of the big game. Yes, it's still 2-0 in favor of Argentina, and Croatia is seeming to lose it all. But let's see for the night. Let's wait for the 90 minutes.